Hello everyone, this is Sanam from Knowledge Hub. Today I come with some important current affairs MCQs of June 2021, which varies from 15 June to 30 June. Let's switch over to our first slide. Who won Pulitzer Prize 2021 in the International Reporting category for exposing China's secret Uyghur Muslim detention camp? Our correct answer is Megha Rajgopalan. Option B, Megha Rajgopalan. Megha Rajgopalan is an Indian origin journalist who, along with Alison Killing and Krishna Buschek of Bhojpur News, won the Pulitzer Prize in the International Reporting category for their innovative investigative report exposing China's secretly built Uyghur Muslim detention camp. Next question is our next question is which among the following books won the Pulitzer Prize 2021 in fiction category? Our correct answer is The Night Watchman. The Night Watchman by option A, The Night Watchman. Answer description is The Night Watchman is written by Louis Erdrich on Pulitzer Prize 2021 in fiction category. Golden Arches in Black America by Marika Chatelain won the Pulitzer in history category. Question number 3. India's retail inflation jumped to how much in May 2021? Our correct answer is 6.3%. India's retail inflation measured by how it is measured? It is measured by Customer Price Index CPI, which is jumped to 6.3% in May, the highest in the last 6 months due to higher food and fuel prices, informed by Union Statistic Ministry on June 2021. June 2021, dated is 14. Okay. Question number 4. What is the new GST rate for COVID-19 testing kits, medical grade oxygen and ventilator? Now it is 5%, before it was 12%. GST for hand sanitizer also has been reduced from 18% to 5%. Okay. Question number 5. Which vaccination is repeatedly more effective against Delta COVID-19 variant? Correct answer is Sputnik V. Sputnik V more effective against Delta COVID-19 variant. Correct answer is Sputnik V, which is a Russia's vaccination. Question number 6. Which state has decided to set up its own series of annual awards similar to Bharat Ratna? The correct answer is Assam. Assam government has decided to the institute of own series of annual awards similar to Bharat Ratna and Padma Award, entailing various benefits for the award. This decision was taken as June 8, 2021, which is headed by Chief Minister of Assam, Himant Biswa Sharma. Question number 7. The world's third largest diamond has been unearthed in which nation? Correct answer is Bostonia. Devswana Diamond Company on June 1st, 2021 found the world's third largest diamond in the Zhuang mine in Bostonia, South Africa. The stone's weight is 1098 carat and measuring is 73 mm long and 52 mm wide and 27 mm thick and is yet to be named. Question number 8. Which nation has topped the World Competitive Index 2021? Our correct answer is option D, Switzerland. Switzerland topped the IMD World Competitiveness Index 2021, followed by Sweden at the second place, while Denmark moved to third rank, Netherlands fourth place, and Singapore slipped to fifth place in the top ranking in 2020. Question number 9. India has been ranked at which position in the World Competitive Index 2021? Correct answer is 43rd. Answer is 43rd. By IMD, it is ranked as 43. Question number 10. Kenneth Kaunda was which nation's first president? Correct answer is option D, Zimbabwe. He passed at the age of 97 on June 17, 2021. The president of Zambia from 1964 to 1991. Question number 11. Who has become the new Prime Minister of Israel? Our correct answer is option C, Naftali Bennett. Naftali Bennett is a multi-millionaire, was elected as the new Prime Minister of Israel after the parliament approved a new government on June 13, 2021. He leads the right wing of Yamina Party, which has called for Israel to annex part of the West Bank. Question number 12. The world's first wooden satellite will be launched from which nation? Correct answer is New Zealand. The European Space Agency ESA has planned to put the world's first wooden satellite ISA WOODEST in Earth orbit by the end of 2021, and the country is New Zealand. Question number 13. Who among the following has been inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame this year? Correct answer is Bhino Mankad. He is the first Indian to score the 1000 test run and take 100 test wicket also. Question number 14. Who has become the first player to win both women's single and double title for the French Open since 2000? Correct answer is option A, Barbara Krejcikova. Barbara Krejcikova has won the first player to own both the women's single and double event in the French Open since Mary Price achieved the feat way back in 2000. It means after 2000, Barbara Krejcikova only won women's single and double before Mary Price achieved this award. Okay. She has also become the first woman to win both single and double event at the Grand Slam event Serena Williams in 2016. Okay. Question number 15. Who has been awarded prestigious CEU Open Society Prize for 2021? Correct answer is option B, KK Shailaja. Former Health Minister of Kerala, who is KK Shailaja, was on June 17, 2021 awarded the Central European University Open Society Prize for 2021. Kerala's Health Minister KK Shailaja won Central European University Open Society Prize for 2021 in June 17, 2021. The university's highest honor was given her at a virtual convention of the university's 30th graduation ceremony that was held from Vienna. Question number 16. Who topped the global list of biggest philanthropists of the last century? Correct answer is Jamsetji Tata. Jamsetji Tata, the founder of Tata Group, has emerged the biggest philanthropist global in the last century by donating 102 billion, 34.8 billion, Warren Buffett 37.4 billion, and John D. Rock 26.8 billion. Question number 17. The elimination process will be carried out in which among the following state or union territories? Correct answer is Jammu and Kashmir. The Delimitation Commission has been set up for Jammu and Kashmir, headed by Justice, now he is retired, Ranjan Prakash Desai. The commission has been mandated to demolish the constitution of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Our correct answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 18. Which is the only state in India to have all the 3 crocodile species? Our correct answer is option D, Odisha. Odisha is Ghadels, Mogors and saltwater crocodiles. What was the main theme for International Yoga Day 2021? Correct answer is option B, which is Yoga for Wellness. The main theme of International Yoga Day 2021 is Yoga for Wellness. Question number 20. S&P Global Ranking has slashed India's growth forecast to how much for financial year 22? Our correct answer is 9.5%. S&P Global Ranking on June 24, 2021 cut India's growth forecast for financial year 2022 to 9.5% from 11% earlier, and further one of the risks to the current outlook due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Question number 21. Researchers has discovered antibodies of which virus in bats from Mahabaleshwar cave? Our correct answer is option C, Nipah virus. Researchers have discovered the presence of antibodies against Nipah virus in some of the bat species from a cave in Mahabaleshwar, Maharashtra. The survey was jointly conducted by the National Institute of Virology and the Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR. Who has been elected as 8th president on June 19, 2021. Okay, meter world record within time today.